My name is Vadim Demchenko. I'm the technology specialist at Microsoft. I'm assisting the manufacturing companies in Belgium and Benelux to achieve their goals in terms of customer service modernization. Servitization has taken place in the manufacturing industry since pre-COVID times. Nevertheless, the manufacturing companies were focusing on transforming their core products and service proposition. The customer experience and the customer journey was lagging behind. And with the current economic environment, with the workforce transformation, post-COVID customer expectations and sustainability goals in place, now it's a window of opportunity to focus on customer experience. And customer service modernization is one of the milestones and one of the pillars of the transformation. Everything starts with the end customer. First of all, the manufacturing companies need to understand their niche, need to understand the buying journey of their customers and understand where they can differentiate with their offering. After this, they need to evaluate the level of maturity of their current model and understand where they want to be. In the end, what's required is, of course, the roadmap for implementing the vision supported by the future-proof technology, which is agile, flexible, and secure. Microsoft offers a number of tools, including the online tools for the customers to do a self-assessment, as well as the teams of industry experts who can help with executing on this exercise. Manufacturers have great people. They are intelligent, they are empathetic, and they are creative. We want to make sure that those employees focus on the customer relationships and building those further and offer creative solutions to the complex problems that the customers may have. With a robust business and technology foundation, we can make sure that any possibilities are within the reach. With emerging technologies such as OpenAI or Microsoft Copilot, we can make sure that the employees focus on what matters while maintaining the control over the information and over the customer relationship.